Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an event management website, and the platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly and it is easy to use, and it is also free to get started. All you'll need is your email address, and from there you'll be able to create an account. Once you have created your account on Wix.com, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap on Wix. After you have selected Wix, you will be redirected to a new page, and you are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, what I want you to do on the search bar right here, you'll type in Event Management. So let's do that real quick. And you can see right there, Event Management Company. You are going to select that. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have selected Next, you will be redirected to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be able to add your business name and also the different services that you will offer your clients. And I'll also be showing you how to use the menu option on the left-hand column. But first, enter your business name. So let's say test events. Then from there, you could add your business address, and you're going to tap on next in the bottom right-hand corner. After you have done that, you can add your opening hours. So let's say, for example, 6 days a week, and you can select the opening hours right here. So for instance, let's say your business is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can select the different services that you offer, and you can see some pre-suggested services that Wix has right here. So let's say, for example, you'd like to offer kids party, dinner and movie under the stars, father and son picnic, and you can also scroll down and view the other services right here, and you can tap on the box to select them. Once you're finished, and if you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can simply tap on Create New Service, and from there you could enter the service name, appointment style, and so on. Then you will tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner, and from here you'll be able to add staff member's name and email address. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Next. Then if you plan on accepting online payments, you can tap on that, accept in-person payments, then tap on Next, then select Continue to Dashboard. Once you have been redirected to the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set up the payment methods so that you can offer your customers, for example, the option to pay via PayPal, TiloPay, and other payment methods. But what I want you to pay attention to first, by going over to the left-hand menu option, if you were to select Booking Services, you would be able to see all of the services that you had created earlier. And what I want you to do is scroll down, and let's say, for example, this service, we would like to edit it. You could tap on Edit, and you're going to be setting up the price. So you're going to select Edit, then you'll simply scroll down. You can change the cover image if you want by tapping on Edit Image. Then scrolling down, you can set the price. So you can see right here, per session or with plan. And you can set the price right here. Let's say, for example, $10. Then you'll tap on Save. So we'll select Save anyway. So you're going to select that right there. And by the way, by going over to Booking Calendar, from there you will be able to see all of your scheduled appointments by tapping on Booking Calendar. And if you would like to offer your clients gift cards in the future, you can select gift cards right there, and you will be able to create them. And you can also see you can create booking forms if you want, or you can request payment automatically by tapping right here. And to set up the different payment methods, you can select billing and payments from the left hand menu option, then select payments. Once you have done that, a new tab is going to open up. Then select manage payment methods. After you have done that, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, at the moment you can see I'm offered PayPal and TiloPay, and by tapping on see more payment options right here, you can see the different payment options I'm offered at the moment, payment wall. But if I were to change the location of my website by tapping on change, for example, if I were to type in United States, so let's do that real quick, tap on choose, you can see that I'm provided with more payment options. I can now use the Wix payment option, and if I were to tap on see more payment options once more, I now have AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and I also have Bankful and Klarna, numerous payment options that I can offer. I can also accept crypto payment if I want. All you'll need to do is tap on connect and you can set it up. After you're finished setting up the different payment methods, and keep in mind to accept payments online, you will need to go onto the Wix paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable and it will be worth it. You'll tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Once you have selected setup, I want you to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see the different templates that they provide you with. And keep in mind, with these templates, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So I will be selecting this one, which is the event planning company. So I'm going to tap on edit. Once you have selected edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website in the background. About your event planning business, and then tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will write articles for your website. After you're finished, you could tap on the X to close out. Then you're going to tap in the top right hand corner where you see plus 50%. And at the moment, this is how your website looks. So you can see it right here. Now to make changes, so let's say for example, we would like to change the front page right here, or the home page better yet. You could hover over it with your mouse, then tap on quick edit. After you have done that, if you would like to change this image, you could tap on change right here, then tap on image. After you have done that, you're going to see a pop-up. You can choose to either upload media, or for example, you could tap on the search bar right here and you could type in something that you would like to add. So let's say for example events, and then you will see some copyright free images that you could use. So you could scroll down and you could select one of these images. So let's say I would like to use this one. So I'll tap on it, then select change background, and you will realize that the image has changed. And you can do this to whichever page. It's quite easy to edit a website using Wix. And also if you would like to change the text, so for example, if you like to change the title right here, you can do that. You can change the paragraph text. You can also change the button text right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X to close out. And if you would like to add something to the page, let's say you would like to add another text box, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. Then from there, you could select a text box and you can add the text box. If it is a case that you would like to add a video, you can do that by selecting video and music. And you can also add images or buttons, anything that you would like to add to your website. You will find it by tapping on the top plus in the top left hand corner right there. And also to view all the pages currently on your website, you're going to select home in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right here. So let's say I would like to view the services page. I could select services, then you can see the services page right here. So these are the different services that we offer, and you can see them there. If you would like to edit the services, you can do that by hovering over it and select quick edit. And again, if you would like to remove or delete a page, tap on page in the top left hand corner once more, select manage pages at the bottom of the drop down menu option. Then you can tap on add page to add a page. If it is a case that you would like to remove a page, you can simply hover over the page name, tap on the three dots, then you could tap on hide page, and that page will now be hidden. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save your changes. Then you could tap on publish for your website to go live. If I were to tap on preview right now, you can see how it looks. So this is the site page right here, the events page, better yet, showing the different services that we offer. So you can see them right there. And if they would like to go onto our home page, they can tap on home, and you can see how our home page looks at the moment. This is it, and you can see it right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.